Hi, in this tutorial series, we're going to demonstrate how to use Azure Machine Learning Studio for data mining experiments. There are essentially two approaches to machine learning in Azure. You can utilize Azure Machine Learning SDK in your Python code and run your program with a remote compute or virtual machine. Alternatively, you can visually design and execute your data mining pipelines with the designer interface in the Machine Learning Studio. In both cases, Azure ML offers automation for model training and parameter tuning. This automation tool is known as AutoML. You will need to have an Azure subscription, and if you can get an educational license with your student email account, you will also be given a $100 credit for free. First, I'm going to download a toy dataset for our demonstration. I'm using the adult consensus income dataset from Kaggle. You can download the CSV file and then upload it to Azure and register it as a dataset. You can then later access this dataset from anywhere you like, your notebook or from the Studio Designer. Let's explore this dataset. We have 14 features ranging from basic demographics to employment information. This can be used to predict a target variable, which is the income, with two possible classes, income less than or equal to 50,000 and income greater than 50,000. From the dataset panel, you can also get the code to access your data in your Python code. In this tutorial, we're going to run an automated machine learning experiment. Our target column is the income that we want to predict. The AutoML process will then execute a series of data quality checks, apply necessary data pre-processing before fitting the dataset into various machine learning models. AutoML currently supports more than 30 machine learning algorithms, so it will take a while for the experiment to train and compare all of these models. Once done, you will find the best model, the resulting performance metrics, and any data transformation applied by AutoML. You can then export this model and consume it elsewhere. Now, let's see how can we create and run an automated machine experiment in code. I'm using Visual Studio for this purpose. The advantage of creating and running automated machine learning in code is that you can actually do some data preparation steps before feeding the processed data into the AutoML experiment. You will need to have an Azure ML extension installed in Visual Studio so you can connect to your Azure account. Once in your account, you need to connect to a remote virtual machine to run your experiment. These machines are referred to as compute. Simply select a compute that is currently running to connect. You can now create a notebook. As with any program, first I'm going to import software packages that I'm going to use. I can then load the Azure ML workspace and access the dataset located in the Azure storage account. The loaded dataset is then converted to a pandas data frame, so we can pre-process it further using Python programming language. As you can see, the dataset has many missing values denoted as question mark symbols. In order to help machine learning models recognize these missing values, we will have to instruct them specifically to treat these models as missing values. We did not have an option to do this previously when creating AutoML in the web interface, but if we create and run AutoML process in code, we can certainly implement some data cleaning steps before the model training. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to replace these missing values by the most frequent items in each column. I can split the dataset into a training set and a test set for model building and testing respectively. Now let's configure the AutoML experiments. These are the hyperparameters that control how AutoML processes data and builds machine learning models. Now run the AutoML experiment. It will take a while for the experiment to finish. After model training, we can explore the experiment run results. We then retrieve the best model selected by AutoML. We can use this model to make predictions on unlabeled data, or we can evaluate it against the unseen test data. We can also monitor the experiment progress on the web. Here you can see what AutoML experiment is checking for data quality, the machine learning models being trained, and their performance metrics.